Today I want to talk about how to use the calculators. It's come to my attention that some people are confused about the different types of calculators that are out there. There are some calculators, like this one, where I want to do the square root. Let's say I want to do the square root of 16. I put in 16 first, and then I press the square root button, which I notice is right here. And then that tells me it is 4. I could do the square root again. The square root of 4 is 2. The square root of 2 is about 1.4. And so in this type of calculator, I have to put the number in before I press square root. Now, in a calculator like this, which is what some people have, I actually have to find the inverse of square. So I see the square button is right here. So if I did 5 squared, I would get 25. But to do the square root, I can't just go square root. What I have to do is clear it, and I do the inverse of square, and then I plug in 25, and I get 5. So again, to use this calculator, I would do the inverse of square, and let's say I did 144, the square root is 12. Most of you have cell phones. You might not even be able to read this. So on my cell phone, I actually have a square root button, and I press the square root button. And once I press the square root button, then I can plug in my number. And I apologize that you can't even read that. So if you have any questions about how to use your calculator during this time, don't hesitate to call me on my Google Voice number, which I will make sure that I get you, or email me. Thank you very much.